Why? What are you doing? Come here, come check out the lake. Brooks. Hey.
Why?
'Cause it never feels good. Come underneath there. You can make it. That a boy.
Boy.
What are you doing? Do you like the lake we found? Huh? Do we have to tell Mommy about this one? Huh? So close to the house, this could be our guy spot. What do you think? You want to tell Mommy? Yeah?
Bug. Bug bite me.
Did it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? We sprayed you with bug spray.
Bug spray.
Yeah.
Bug spray.
Alright. You want to go? Alright. What is it? Is that a snake hole?
Yeah.
I don't think so. No.